attack me because this is my better side, okay?
Oh.
My mom
All right,
loves-
welcome to
my mom
YouTube.
loves
Welcome to Pirates or Us.
My mom loves to see me on Facebook, all right? So we're here because apparently, oh, I'm sorry. I got excited again.
Still good.
All right, we're here because apparently you're doing inappropriate things and saying inappropriate things, and people are calling on you.
Well, that's a lie, and I'm going to vouch for that.
Sir, stop.
Singing?
No, I'm not going to
I'm
stop.
talking to him.
I'm talking to you.
You're interfering with my investigation with him.
I don't
Then if
care
you
about your
continue to
investigation.
interfere with
He's my
investigation,
friend.
Then you're going to be arrested for obstruction. All right, so I would prefer you to let me finish my investigation, okay, without interruption. Sir, can I have you step over here?
No, absolutely not. I'm his attorney, and I'm advising him not to speak to you. Claim your Fifth Amendment right. Fifth Amendment right now. Fifth Amendment, don't
Sir,
speak to.
The last warning. You're interfering with my investigation. If you continue, then I'm going to have to remove you. Yes, sir.
No, I don't think you can do that.
I'm trying to, but he won't stop
do
talking.
legal things.
Please let me speak.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, I sat here and I sung some music. That's what I did.
Okay. Well, why are people calling us on you then?
I
Telling us
don't
that you're
know,
being
ma'am.
inappropriate.
Inappropriate?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking you.
Yeah, but what are they saying? I
Fifth
need to
Amendment.
know-
Fifth Amendment.
Are you interrupting me again? Are you interrupting my investigation again?
As his attorney,
You're not an attorney.
I am.
Show me your law degree.
Ma'am, I
What
do-
college you graduated from?
It's called the U.S.
That's
Constitution,
what she's talking
Ma'am.
about.
and we all have it.
Be careful
I
here.
do have an
They can do
attorney.
illegal
Listen.
things and throw you in jail.
I do have an attorney.
Listen.
And listen to my story.
Okay, go
I'm
ahead.
sitting here in hiding because my attorney, Richard Manzo, law office in Titusville, and the Titusville Police Department know I'm right here.
Name and badge
Because I'm
number,
getting
sir.
Death threats on TikTok.
Okay.
I got screenshots. Can I go get the card of the
The
investigator?
reason why I'm here is because people.
But false accusations got nothing to do
so
with what I'm
people-
doing.
So people here called us to
And
come,
people don't
to
lie
come speak to you
about
because
what?
they feel well. I'll explain it to you again. I've said 3 times already, but I don't have.
Yeah,
any,
but that's not the
I
truth.
don't have any crayons or puppets to explain
She
it any
said-
simpler to you. All right. The fact that
She
you're
said
doing something
inappropriate.
over here. I don't know what you're doing.
But she can't tell you
But
what it is.
listen.
Yes.
Can I
That's
finish
right,
talking?
because there's no
Without you
law
guys
being
interrupting
broken
me?
here.
What I'm being told
This
is that
harassment.
people.
It
said
is a total
that you're being
harassment.
loud, and that.
Ma'am, you
you're
need to
being-
de-escalate. Take the
You can
Fifth
have my
Amendment. Say nothing more. As you say no
Ma'am,
more words.
All I'm
Don't-
doing is trying to tell you that I've been sitting here.
You go and talk. You go and talk to the people that called you.
I would like a supervisor too.
Right. Bring a supervisor over here because you are out of line. No crime has been committed. You are out of line, and you're going straight on YouTube.
They're talking and trying to justify hurting you.
Right. You're not going to hurt this man. Not with me standing here.
I'm just trying to explain myself.
What it is people are calling in saying you're disturbing the peace by being too loud. All they want you to do is just quiet it down.
Okay, I'll quiet down.
Well, I'm a witness to
Don't
say he
interrupt
hadn't
him.
done that.
Don't interrupt him. You're gonna go to jail.
You can do that? Okay.
I won't sing
That's all
one
it
more
is.
song.
Okay.
That's the problem.
De-escalate, ma'am.
So if you're going near people, which I'm not saying you are, don't sing towards them. Okay.
I was just saying.
Keep yourself and keep you guys. Okay.
Yes.
Do that for me.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
Okay.
If that's their complaint, I can comply with a complaint.
Perfect.
You know, I'm complaining about the people that complained.
Okay.
Are you going to do some of that? Now go talk to the people that complained.
Me and you were good.
All right, I'm complaining about the people that complain, so you go and harass them. This man has done
I
nothing.
was just saying.
He's done nothing wrong.
My friend asked me to sing because I told him I'm an entertainer, I'm a performer, I've been a former drag queen.
Oh, I'm going to get a million
So,
views.
and I
for
can
this one.
appreciate that. I can appreciate that. But what you have to understand too is that this is a public park. This isn't.
That's right, it's public.
This isn't a private residence. It's a public park. So some
Just
people
with our
may not
kids
like
here,
that.
they're trying to play. Okay.
But I did nothing derogatory.
Right. But if we get the call, then we have to at least get you to quiet it down. You know?
And you got my word that's okay. Period. Because I'm not here to disrespect y'all. I'm not here to disrespect
It's
them.
gonna be the same with
I'm
y'all.
in
Was he
hiding
in, was
because
he
of
hurting
death
anybody
threats.
when you walked
I
up?
appreciate that.
Easy. Can
No, because I don't
these
like what's
guys
going
are-
down
these
here. I
guys
don't,
are
man.
really here for me though, and I love you, brother. But I want to solve this with these guys, and then let that die off so they can go do what they really need to do. Because I mean, what's fair is what's fair.
What's your name?
David Fowler.
David
I'm
Fowler.
the drag queen pastor.
Okay.
And I've been doing that
And
a
he's
long
very
time,
famous.
And I get a lot
He
of
is.
hate, and I'm really here.
So, David, you know why we're
Because
here? We're all good. You're going to get
We're
the
all
fire, right?
good, man. They will not hear me sing one more song.
All right, listen to your actual lawyer next time, not some street lawyer, okay?
Yeah.
All right, bub.
Well, you've already met. You already met his real lawyer.
Thank you for what you do. Though.
Hey, welcome to Pirates or Us. Hey, look at my. Hey, look at here. Pirates or Us. That's me. All right. Walk of shame. Walk of shame. You got no jurisdiction here.
These officers just don't get it. The First Amendment guarantees the right to express yourself in public, including in a park where no laws are being broken. You can't threaten people with arrest just because you don't like their singing or because someone complained. Unless the actual crime is happening, you have no grounds to detain or harass anyone. This behavior shows a misunderstanding of law enforcement's role. Serve and protect, not dictate and intimidate. What's troubling here is the misuse of power. The officer threatened arrest for obstruction just because someone was talking. That's not how it works. You don't get to silence people or decide who can speak just because you're wearing a badge. It's a violation of the very rights officers swear to uphold. Remember, law enforcement's power has limits. Trespassing laws don't apply to public spaces unless someone is disrupting the peace or breaking the law. Just because someone complained doesn't mean you can eject them from a public area. The U.S. Supreme Court has ruled repeatedly that citizens have the right to record, speak, and assemble peacefully. If you don't know these laws, you're not fit to enforce them. And let's keep going.
I'm just saying.
No, listen.
I'm recording
listen,
this.
I am too. You see this?
Okay,
sir?
that's fine. I'm
It's
just
recording,
saying.
Fine.
That's
fine.
that's
Do you have an
all.
ID on you?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna give it
Okay,
up. But
okay, sir.
what law have I broken, sir?
I'm sorry.
What law have I broken?
Well, right now I perceive criminal activity. So listen to me. Don't even get in the vehicle.
I'm not. I'm trying to
Then
point
step
to you.
back.
I'm trying
No,
to.
I'm trying to listen. I am in charge of this traffic stop, not you.
I'm
okay?
not. I understand that.
Okay. Okay. Stop
I'm telling you because
talking.
I was moving because
Sir, if
I'm.
you will, I don't care. Sir, will you step out for me? Thank you.
Like, what law have I broken?
I just explained it to you. I have reasonable suspicion that criminal activity is going on in the vehicle. Stop talking to me right now. I am explaining to you. I have reasonable suspicion. Sir, if you will step over here so I can see you. And if you will, keep your hands out of your pocket. I don't know what's on. Again, I have reasonable suspicion of criminal activity.
What kind of criminal activity?
I have you moving around the back seat.
That's not criminal.
Yes, it is. I don't know what's in the vehicle. I don't know if you're trying to hide something. I don't know if you're trying to hide something. 87. I have 3 males outside the vehicle,
Don't say
non-cooperative. Can you reach out to Fort Lewis 90, have him respond? Ma'am, if you will stay in the vehicle for me. Just a minute, right now. No, because you're not going to deter my attention from these gentlemen. Go ahead, sister.
I like how we're all big guys and we're tight and squeezed.
Yeah, we couldn't move in the back seat of
that car.
Not at this time. Okay.
And that's
I don't know
supposedly
who
non-compliant.
you 3 are. Don't know who you 3 are. Okay. I have reasonable suspicion.
You know
of
who
it.
I am.
No, I don't. Who
Yes,
are you?
you do.
Who?
You're
Okay. Listen, sir.
do-
Turn around for me.
No.
Turn around.
What for?
Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around for what?
Turn around. Turn around, sir.
Why am I needing to turn
I said
around?
because I gave you a directive. Turn around.
You had to give me.
No, I don't. Turn around.
Why? For
Turn
what?
around.
Record this.
Turn around.
For what?
Turn around.
Hey, hold this, and he's gonna arrest me. And
No, I ain't
record it.
arresting you. I'm detaining you. There's 3 of you.
No, you're illegally
They gotta
detained.
have reason. to
No, I
detain
don't.
you.
Oh, I don't.
Yes, you
I
do.
can
Hey,
legally
record me,
detain you
record me.
to. because
Record me.
I know what's going
Record
on.
me.
The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. Detaining someone in handcuffs without proper justification constitutes a seizure. And if the officer lacks reasonable suspicion or probable cause, it's considered an unlawful detention. And moving around in the back seat is definitely not enough to be reasonably suspected of a crime. Handcuffing an individual is a form of punishment, and if done so without lawful grounds, it violates the Eighth Amendment, which protects us from cruel and unusual punishment. If this officer suspected criminal activity, he can investigate further, but must respect the individual's rights during the investigation. If he gathers sufficient evidence to establish reasonable suspicion or probable cause, he is then allowed to detain the individuals or arrest them.
Hello. How you doing?
I'm all right.
My name's Tony Grogan. I'm chief of police, Second Police Department.
What?
Any identification?
I
You have any
do.
identification?
I do, but why do I have to give that?
It's a law in Kentucky. You don't have any ID on you?
I do got ID on me, but see, you have to articulate suspicion or have suspicion that I've committed a crime or that I'm about to commit a crime. My name is Josh.
Josh, how old are you, Josh? Do you have any ID on you?
Josh? I prefer not to give it.
Josh, you have to give me your identification when I ask for it as a police officer. Okay? The state gives you that identification for that reason. Okay? Yes, you have to pay for it at the courthouse. It's your identification. That's the reason you have it, so the police can have it if they ask for it. That's one of the main reasons. It's. Do you live here?
No, I do not.
I know, I don't know you because this is a small community and I've never seen you before.
Yeah, I'm from small communities myself.
You mind giving me your identification?
What would happen if I don't?
Well, I'm going to have to put you in the back of that car and detain you until I can get more information on you. And I don't want to use force or anything like that on you. That's not my goal here. My goal is to find out who you are and why you're here. What do you want?
I just wanted to take some pictures of video of the public areas. Now, she came out with a little bit of an attitude. You know, I can tell you what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm not doing anything wrong. What I'm doing is actually...
Give me your identification before we keep going on. I'm going to cooperate with you as much as I can, but you have to give me your identification when I ask for it. I've asked 4 times.
Okay. Am I
Please give me your identification.
Am I being detained?
Not yet. You need to give me that identification.
Okay, and if I'm not being detained, I'm going to go on about my day.
You either give me that identification or I am going to put you in the back of that car. You understand that? Identification.
Is there anybody else hired that you can come out here?
No. Identification, please. Do you have any weapons on you?
No,
Is that what this is? You have weapons on you?
No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't got no
right
weapons
now I'm doing,
on me.
You know what I'm doing?
What?
What am I doing? I'm doing a Terry pat down for you and my protection. Bottom line is I don't know what you got on you. Okay? Because I don't know you. And you don't know me, right?
Right.
Okay. What's going on, man? Is this, what is this? Is that your wallet? Is there ID in there?
Yes, that is.
You can't, there's people up here, you know, it's a public place, okay?
Okay.
All right, and you can be in public places, okay? But I don't understand why you got a camera 1 foot like from my face, and what is this?
That's my other phone.
Okay. Give me your identification.
And I don't suppose you can show me the statue. You know, I tried finding what I could before I came up here. Now I can give you, I can give you my name.
I want your identification. Because if I don't get it, I can't allow you to stay here. I don't want you to stay here anyway, but what I want doesn't matter. That's not what's important. What's important is that you cooperate and give me your identification as a citizen. Are you a citizen?
Yes, I am a citizen.
Okay, then you have to abide by the laws. The laws say that you have to give me your identification.
Well,
I don't have to explain up front why. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
If you could please.
Okay.
You're
So you want something for me, don't you?
Well, you're kind of in my personal space.
Well, do you know why? Because you're not giving me your identification.
Well, the thing is, I'm not familiar with your laws. I'm familiar with Tennessee laws.
That's okay. This is America.
Is this how you treat
This
tourists?
is America. You have the right to do a lot of things, okay? The freedoms are granted to you are actually, you know, all the people in America have them. You know, but you still have to give me your identification no matter what.
Welcome to Kentucky.
Don't back in front of traffic either. I am responsible somewhat. You know, I don't want you getting hit while we're having a back and forth conversation. You don't live here. Why are you here? There's a lot of security issues when you're filming government buildings too. I'd like you to know that, all right? Okay. That is an issue. This is a government building. Okay. So
and I have a right to videotape, photograph in publicly accessible areas where I have a legal right to be.
I don't know who you are, so I don't know if you have a legal right to be here or not. Because I don't know if you have warrants on you. I don't know anything about you. I don't know how old you are.
What suspicion do you have or articulated?
Either give it to me.
Okay.
Come on. You won't give it to me. You're being uncooperative. Stop.
Well,
all you want. He's videoing City Hall and stuff. It's okay.
Yeah,
He just likes the
documentary?
video. I don't know what he's doing for sure. Hey, you want this back?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, it might be better than your phone.
Okay. Now, where can I go to file a complaint?
A complaint?
Yes.
Chief of police.
Yes.
I'm the
Can't
chief
file a
of police.
complaint over him.
Okay.
The only other place would be City Hall.
City Hall?
Yeah. What kind of complaint are you wanting to file?
Well, right now, illegal detainment.
Well, you've only been here 10 minutes, with me, maybe 12. I have a reasonable right under your constitutional rights to detain you for a reasonable amount of time. I think 12 minutes to see why you're, maybe 15 minutes to see why you're videoing a government building and everything is very reasonable. Okay? You're free to go.
All right. What's your name, badge number?
My name is Tony Grogan. I'm the chief of police at Hickman Police Department. My badge number is 501.
501.
Yes.
Your name, badge number?
My name is Deputy Gary Fulcher, 3808.
3808. Okay. You?
I ain't have to give you nothing.
What
have you given me? Have you told us anything?
What's
Did you
your
explain why you're out here?
What's your policy?
You haven't explained why you're out here, have you?
He's a different agency than me.
Okay.
Where do you live at?
Well, I'm from Tennessee. I'll at least give you that.
Why are you at Hickman City Hall asking them things and filming them stuff? Is there a reason? Do you have some kind of business with the city of Hickman?
Yeah, mainly what I'm doing right here.
What is that?
Taking pictures and video. I'm just a tourist in your city.
You're just a tourist and you're filming City Hall and then you have a run-in with the police. Wonder why that is.
All I'm asking is for your name, badge
most
number.
tourists that come to the city of Hickman are on the bluff, filming the bluff, filming the courthouse. It's historic.
Okay, R. Woods.
Yes, I'm the sheriff here in Fulton County.
Okay, so you're Fulton County Sheriff.
That's right.
Okay. All right. Well, do you not have a policy about your
We
deputies?
have a policy that people we talk to that's causing a disturbance better tell us why they're doing it.
Okay. Well, either way, I got you on film. I got your name.
Good for
I'm gonna go.
In the original footage, Chief Tony Grogan displayed a flawed understanding of citizens' constitutional rights. By insisting the citizen provide ID without reasonable suspicion of a crime, Grogan acted in direct contradiction to the Fourth Amendment and landmark cases like Terry v. Ohio. What sets this story apart is Grogan's subsequent journey of self-reflection and growth. He openly admitted that his actions were rooted in decades of improper training and that initially, he struggled to accept responsibility for his behavior. However, his candid acknowledgement, "I realized I was policing like it was 15 years ago," shows his willingness to adapt to modern standards of constitutional policing. This humility and self-awareness are rare but vital for fostering trust between law enforcement and the public. Grogan's transformation wasn't just about personal growth. It also serves as a broader lesson for policing as an institution. Outdated practices, left unchecked, can perpetuate systemic issues, eroding public trust in law enforcement. By publicly admitting his mistakes and committing to change, Grogan demonstrated how accountability mechanisms such as public recordings can serve as catalysts for meaningful reform. The cameraman's decision to document and share the encounter was instrumental in bringing these issues to light. While Grogan described the experience of being publicly scrutinized as a low point, he later recognized it as a turning point, not only for himself but potentially for others in the profession. And let's keep going.
No, I'm good, man. I don't need any help.
Why you take pictures of the facility without our authorization?
Because I'm on public property.
You're taking pictures of private property. Just in time, huh?
I don't really care. I'm not doing anything illegal, so they're not going to do anything.
You're taking pictures.
It doesn't matter.
All right, you need to contact...
No, he's going to tell you. Watch. Wait till he gets out, or she maybe, I'm not sure.
Who are you?
I'm a journalist. That's all you need to know. That's all I'm going to say.
Private property, dude.
This is private property?
It is.
So they put this light pole in and all these electric things?
It's all private property. What are you taking pictures for?
What's your name?
Right here.
Okay, thanks. I don't think this is private property. There's no way. It's a public street.
I'm telling you it is. Okay.
So I'm trespassing on the public street?
Yep.
All right, let's go for that then.
Okay.
You want to arrest me for trespassing on the public street?
What are you taking pictures for?
It doesn't matter. I'm not talking anymore. If that's what you want to do, we'll go that route. That's fine. There's no way this is trespass. This is the shoulder of a road.
Okay.
I can't be trespassing on the shoulder of a road.
Okay.
You're kidding me, right?
Is that
state police have been amazing, and you're ruining it for them. I hate to see it.
Okay.
Tell me I'm trespassing on the public street.
Did you make arrangements? Because there is a lady that does the, I guess that you're supposed to contact when you want to take pictures.
I don't want to go on the property. If I wanted to go on, then yeah, we need some kind of like trespass.
It's not. We're not trying to.
You are.
No, we're not.
Educate him on the First Amendment and get out of here. That's all I want you to do.
Listen,
that's it.
First of all, you don't need to be ignorant to me.
I'm not trying.
We're just trying to.
Trespassing. That's ridiculous.
Okay, we're just trying to get
on your arms.
We're trying to be under an understanding here why you're here. That's all. That's all we want to know. It's not like it's not. You're making a big deal. Huh?
I'm just taking pictures. That's all. Okay. That's all I wanted. But I told you that.
Right.
That's it.
I mean, we're like
these people know what's going on. I don't know how you're out here saying the things you are. It's terrible.
Listen, I'm going by what they want to do.
Why are you siding with Mount Terror?
Huh?
I thought you're a law enforcement officer.
I am.
So why are you siding with Mount Terror?
It's not about siding. It's about what they're allowed to do and what they're not. It's not about siding.
They're not allowed to do anything on public property. That's why they called you guys. If I was on their property, I'm sure they would have tackled me.
They didn't call me. We work here as a job.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm not saying they did call you, but that's it. You should, if you work here, you should know anyone can walk down the street. They have a dash cam. They can't stop anybody from taking pictures on the street.
You're right.
So then what are we doing here?
He's making a call to their public relations person, and that's all.
I don't want to talk to anybody though. So you're not detaining me or anything. All right, I'm gonna move down. I got all the shots I need right here.
Okay.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Like Delaware defender stated, I don't understand how a law enforcement officer can arrive at the scene and immediately side with the private business without an investigation. I understand she helped secure the building, but you are a law enforcement officer, not a policy enforcement officer. Obviously, she knew that this citizen was lawfully able to film from the easement. Keep in mind, cops will lie to you with a straight face looking you dead in your eyes. Lying to citizens to have you obey their orders is what they learned in those 6 weeks at the academy. In my opinion, it's safer to never trust a cop, no matter how nice they may seem.
What's up, dude? Is this? I think this car's left on.
Lieutenant Scott Sullivan's call.
Oh, cool. I think you left your car on, brother.
No, my car's off.
Oh, the dash is blinking stuff. Does it just do that all day?
It does.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Lieutenant Sullivan, Police Department. What's your name?
Cool. I'm Justin. Nice to meet you, man.
If you have some idea, I can say.
No, sir. I don't.
No. Arkansas is one of the 15 ID states. So
there is no way you believe that. All right. Since you're starting off this way, do you have somewhere higher than you? Because I promise you that's not correct, and you're going to get your whole town into a lawsuit. And I don't want to go that way. I've been having a great day. You don't want to go that way either.
But if you just tell me your name.
I'm not telling you my name. I'll tell you my first name, and we're stopping there, and I'm not answering any more questions. If you want to ID me unlawfully, you're going to lose your job and your qualified immunity.
Can I ask you what you're doing?
I'm working on a story.
For who are you with?
I'm an independent journalist. What's your name?
Solomon, Lieutenant Solomon.
Solomon?
Yes, sir.
Do not think, there is no such thing as a stop and ID state. There's no such thing. That is a term.
Okay.
That is a...
Let me explain something to you. Can I explain something?
I'll listen to you. Go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. This day and time, there's all sorts of things going on.
This day and time is a terrible thing because we're in one of the most safest times to date in world history. Tell me a safer time in world history than right now. Okay. So don't say in this day and time, because cops always say that and it's stupid.
Okay.
You can start over though if you want to.
Let me just put it like this.
Yep.
You know, if we see somebody looking at our police cars,
come talk to me, sure. But don't threaten to arrest me if I don't give you my ID.
I didn't threaten to arrest
you. just did, brother.
I just said Arkansas is one of the 15 ID states.
That's not correct.
A demand or request.
Nope, that's not correct. Get a lawyer
information.
out here. If you think that's true, you need to look into it because you're going to get yourself in trouble. That is not true, and I'm 1,000% positive, and I can show you case law and Supreme Court rulings and everything. 100%.
More or less, we're just concerned about what you're doing.
Well, do not think that you can just stop and ID anyone you want. You're going to get yourself in trouble, and you're non-constitutional. You are unconstitutional.
Well, with what's going on, I mean, it's
you are no. If you think you can do that,
Yeah,
you don't believe in the Fourth Amendment. If you think you can do that, do you know what the Fourth Amendment is, sir? What is it?
You know, if we say
What's the Fourth Amendment? No. This is important to everybody that you know the Fourth Amendment. What is it?
Sure, I know it.
So what is it? What is it?
The right of freedom.
No way you just said that. No, that's the First Amendment.
That's what I'm saying. The First Amendment.
No, the First
Amendment. Right,
bro, what's the Fourth Amendment?
Okay. All right, just
oh my God, dude! And you're a lieutenant? Is your chief here?
No, he's off.
We need someone to teach you what the Fourth Amendment is. What is it?
My question is,
what is what's the 5 elements of the First Amendment? There's 5 elements. There's 5 elements of the First Amendment. No, I have some concerns and questions for you. There's 5 elements of the First Amendment. What are they?
Well, I'm gonna go ahead.
What are they, sir? What's the Fourth Amendment? You don't know any of it. You need to go study the Constitution, and until you do, don't say a word to me, please. Go back inside, look up the Constitution, and read those rights and learn them. Memorize them, then come out. Other than that, you don't know what you're doing or what you're talking about, and you don't need to be a lieutenant. And I'm sorry I'm getting mad, but that is ridiculous. You should be ashamed of yourself for not knowing the first or the fourth. Walk of shame right there, and it's deserved.